So let's take a look at number 9 in section 1.2. And this one, we're going to determine the equation of a line passing through the point 4 comma 5 perpendicular to the line y equal 5x minus 8. So we have the point on our line, but we need the slope. Well, the slope is going to be determined from this information. Our line is perpendicular to this line. Now, this line, we know right away what the slope is, right? Since it is solved for y, we have it in slope intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. M is 5, b is -8. So m is the slope, and that's 5. So the slope of this line is 5. But our line is perpendicular. What do we know about lines that are perpendicular? Well, we know their slopes. If we multiply their slopes together, we get -1. Which means the slopes are negative reciprocals of one another. So I'm going to take the negative reciprocal of 5. So what is that going to be? Negative reciprocal of 5 is 1/5, right? 5 is 5 over 1. So we flip it, right, to 1 over 5. That's the reciprocal. And we put a negative sign. So when I multiply 5 times -1/5, what do I get? 5 times -1/5, I get -1. And again, lines that are perpendicular, their slopes multiply together to give you -1. Okay. So we have the slope of our line, we have the point. Here's the point slope form of a line. I plug in m is -1/5. The y1, I'm just going to choose to be the y coordinate of our given point, and the x1 will be the x coordinate. So y1 is 5, x1 is 4. And now you want to just go ahead and solve this for y. I'm going to distribute the -1/5 through. I get -1/5 x. Negative times negative is positive. 1/5 times 4 is 4/5. And now I'm going to add 5 to both sides. So what is 4/5 plus 5? That's 4/5 plus 25/5. And again, I want to write it over 5 so I have a common denominator, right? 25/5 is 5. This gives me a total of 29/5. And that is the equation of my line in slope-intercept form. That's typically the way we want it. Okay, I hope this helps.